How to upload PPT on Google Drive link. First, open the Google Drive app and sign into your Google account if you have not signed in yet. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner, then select Upload. Now, find and select your PPT or PPTX file from your phone's storage. Google Drive will automatically start uploading the presentation. Wait until the upload is complete. Once it's finished, find the PowerPoint file in your Google Drive. Next, tap the three-dot menu next to the file and select Manage Access or Share. Under General Access, tap Restricted and change it to Anyone with the link. Make sure the permission is set to Viewer if you only want others to view the presentation. Now, tap Copy Link. Your PowerPoint is now uploaded to Google Drive, and you can share the copy link through WhatsApp, email, Messenger, or any other app. And that's how to upload a PPT to Google Drive and get a shareable link. For more Android, Google Drive, and Microsoft Office tutorials, like this video and subscribe for more.